AI makes mistakes. A lot of them. Wrong answers. Strange outputs. Sometimes completely off. But here's the surprising part. Those mistakes are not failure. They are the reason AI gets better. Now think about this. How can something learn from mistakes when it does not even understand what it is doing? That sounds impossible. But that is exactly how AI works. When humans make mistakes, we feel them. Regret, confusion, frustration. We think about what went wrong. We adjust our thinking. AI does none of that. No emotions, no reflection, yet it still improves. AI does not learn like a student. It learns like a system. There is no "I understand now." There is only adjust the numbers. That's it. For AI, a mistake is not embarrassment. It is not failure. A mistake is simply a difference. The difference between expected output and actual output. That gap is everything. Every time AI gives an answer, it gets evaluated, right or wrong, close or far, and based on that difference, the system updates itself. Not emotionally, mathematically. Here's where it gets interesting. AI sends the error backward, through its system, layer by layer, connection by connection, adjusting tiny values that control how it makes decisions. This process is called learning, but it is really just correction. Each adjustment is tiny, almost invisible, but millions of small changes create massive improvement, not in one step, but over time. And still, there is no understanding. AI does not know why the answer is correct. It only learns how to get closer to it. That's the difference. If AI were human, it would not say, "Oh, I understand my mistake." It would say, "I adjusted 0.002% of my parameters. Try me again." After thousands of corrections, AI starts giving better answers. It feels intelligent. But intelligence is an illusion here. Precision is the reality. The real power of AI is not thinking. It is repetition. Humans learn slowly. AI learns at scale. Millions of examples. Millions of corrections. No tiredness. No distraction. If you think AI understands, you may trust it blindly. If you think AI is useless, you may ignore its power. Both are mistakes. Understanding the process keeps you balanced. If you want to learn AI, focus on how it improves. Loss functions, optimization, training loops. This is the real foundation, not science fiction ideas. AI does not need understanding to improve. It only needs feedback. That one idea changes how you see everything. The future will not belong to those who guess. It will belong to those who understand systems. And AI is a system built on correction, not consciousness. So next time AI makes a mistake, don't think it failed. That mistake is the exact step that makes it better. No emotions, no understanding, just improvement. And that is the real intelligence behind artificial intelligence.